Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error this version of AMD Radeon software is not compatible. The error may appear like so. So here's a way to fix it. First, you need to go to your device manager. Just right click on the Windows icon, go on device manager, go under graphics. Let's say this is your AMD graphics card. Just right click on it, then say update driver. Then you have to click on browse my computer for drivers. Then click on let me pick from your list. Then choose the previously working driver. Then click on next and then install it. Restart your computer and see if the error is still there. The other thing you can do is to install the drivers from the website. Just go here on our browser, just type in AMD drivers download. After that, click on here. Under here, download and install the AMD drivers. Just follow the guide and you're done.